The sun beat down on the African savanna. A team of wildlife rescuers searched for a whisper in the wind, a sign. They were looking for a leopard, reported to be gravely ill. Suddenly, a flicker of movement caught their eye. A shadow shifted beneath a lone acacia tree. The magnificent cat was there, but barely clinging to life. The leopard was emaciated, its once vibrant coat now dull and lifeless. Millions of parasites crawled through its fur, draining its strength. Every breath the leopard took was shallow and labored. The team was shocked by the state of this majestic creature. They knew they had to act fast. Time was running out for the king of the savannah. A plan began to form. The team moved with quiet precision. They approached the leopard slowly, their every move calculated to avoid causing further distress. A tranquilizer dart was prepared. Every heart pounded as the dart found its mark. The leopard, weakened but still powerful, reacted with a muted growl. The moment of truth was upon them. The team carried the sedated leopard to a waiting vehicle. There was a palpable sense of relief, but the danger was far from over. The journey back to the rescue center was tense. Every bump in the road could exacerbate the leopard's fragile condition. But the team persevered, their dedication to the animal's survival unwavering. Back at the center, the real work began. The parasites were painstakingly removed. Slowly, the leopard began to regain its strength. The team's tireless efforts had paid off.